In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be taking you through how to do an eccentric push-up, and we're going to be covering the regression of a normal push-up in this exercise tutorial video. So this would be suitable for somebody that's looking to increase their strength with regards to trying to learn the push-up movement. So firstly, what we're going to be doing here is we're going to be coming as slow as possible, lowering down, and then you're going to be coming onto your knees and then pushing up off your knees. So this is a fantastic variation for somebody that can't quite do a push-up, but is past the kneeling push-up stage. So you're too good for kneeling push-ups, you can do those easy, but you're not strong enough to be able to do that full push-up. So firstly, what I'm going to do is I'm going to come onto my toes and forefoot. I'm also going to bring my hands into a position where they're just wider than my shoulders. From this position, I'm going to bring myself and my hips forwards, straighten the legs out, and you'll notice here I've locked out the knees, I'm bracing the core as hard as I can, and I'm going to come down really slowly, slow as possible. Once you come all the way down, completely drop. Notice how I've put my knees down here. I'm going to push up off my knees. Back to straight legs, really slow, elbows coming slightly out away from my body. Drop down, back onto the knees, pushing back up. And of course, you're going to repeat this for your desired amount of repetitions. So let's do one more. So just going through general cues, you're on your toes and your forefoot. You come into a position where your shoulders are directly over the position of your wrists, coming down really slowly, locking out your knees, and also making sure that your core's braced. Super slow. Controlling the descent, onto your knees, straight back up. Once you build these up over time, you will get strong enough to be able to do those full variations of push-ups, and then that would be the regression of your normal push-up. Again, repeat that for your desired amount of sets and repetitions, and good luck when learning your push-up.